Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyanka Rani from Garbhagudi IVF Center, Electronic City. So in our life, we have heard many stories and we tend to follow a lot of stories which touch our hearts. So here I am to tell you one of the stories of one of my patients who had come to me recently from the northern part of India. She was settled here and she was taking treatment here. The wife was 33 years, husband was 36 years, so relatively young, not very old. They had tried all types of treatments. So she had tried naturally, then it didn't work out. After that, 2-3 IUI cycles were done, even that didn't work out. So finally they were suggested IVF. So she did IVF treatment in some other center where she got good number of eggs because her egg reserve was good. She was young, but surprisingly the egg quality was not good, and then the embryos didn't turn out to be of good quality. Still she managed to get around 2 to 3 embryos, and in the first transfer it was done, and 2 good embryos were transferred. Among those 3, the 2 good ones were transferred. She failed to conceive, so she was left with 1 more embryo, and for that all possible tests were done. Every possible thing like blood clot related, her genetic tests, all was ruled out, and then when everything was normal with extra supportive care, transfer was done, even that failed. She had lost all hope. When she came to me, she showed me all the reports, every possible test was done. So she is like, ma'am, do I have any possibility of conceiving or should I go with a donor? I said, no, everything seems fine. I mean, there must be something which we are missing out probably. We should test and try to find out if there is something else. So whatever tests were not done, I did. And to my surprise, everything again came out to be normal. The only thing which was different was when I did a scan, I found that she had endometriosis. Endometriosis is actually a disease which we can diagnose only on laparoscopy. But I could see endometriotic cysts, which was not told to her earlier, and that was not treated or nothing was given for that. So what I did differently was just give her treatment related to that, and then we proceeded with IVF. After all types of therapies, supportive care was given. She went through yoga sessions, she followed a regular diet, exercise. She was in a very positive mind frame, I would say, when we started the IVF cycle. We got good number of eggs, but we got only 2 embryos, no blastocyst form. Again we got day 3, but this time we got little better quality eggs. So she lost hope. She again said, ma'am, I have come back to the same state. I mean, after so many things, we are still at the same stage, and there is nothing much different. Again, I have landed up with day 3 embryos. I said, let's not lose hope. Continue with your yoga and positive reinforcement diet, plus the treatment for endometriosis. And then we did a transfer. She finally conceived, and the pregnancy is going on very well for 3 months now. So the moral of the story, for as we learn for any of the other stories, is we should not lose hope. There will be something which if you consult a senior fertility specialist, they might be able to find out and then guide you better. And even after 1 or 2 IVF failed cycles, we still have hope. So don't lose hope and persist with their efforts. In addition, continue your lifestyle changes. Thank you.